Hi there. Are you looking for a simple and legitimate way to make money in those 2024 just by reading blog posts? Well, if that sounds like what you have in mind, this video is for you because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online just by reading blog posts. As far as you can read your books, you have a smartphone and you have an internet data connection, you are going to do this, right? So it doesn't matter if you're a student, a sit-at-home mom, a stay-at-home parent, or a 9-to-5 worker looking for a way to level up their source of income. Just grab your cup of coffee and sit back and watch me move you into various ways on how you can make legitimate money in those 2024. I have 12 sites or apps that you can be using to make this money. Just by reading, it could be writing, it could be reading, and anyone. And guess what? They'll be paying you for all the activities that you are doing on those apps. So I'm going to move you through the various apps and let's get started. So number one is Swagbucks. So how do you make money in Swagbucks? You just make money just by reading articles, and this money could be converted into gift cards or cash. The second on my list is Inbox Dollars. So how do you make money on Inbox Dollars? So you make money for reading emails, taking surveys, and also watching videos. That's how you can make money on Inbox Dollars. Number three is read theory. How do you make money on read theory? You make money on read theory just by reading educational content, and you get paid for the books you read or the content you read. So the first one is My Point. Then this My Point is similar to Swagbuck. So what do you do on My Point? You get paid for your various activities on the app or on the website, and you also get paid by reading articles. So the next one is Vindali Research. So how do you get paid? You get paid on Vindali Research just by reading articles and taking survey. That's how you get paid on that website. Number six on my list is Slice the Pie. So you get paid for reviewing articles on various types of content, including articles or blog posts. That's how you make money on Slice the Pie. Number seven on my list is Paid to read emails, as the name implies. So you get paid from reading email that is being sent to you from advertiser. Do you understand? So when you read these emails, you get paid for all of those stuff like that. So number eight, if I'm not mistaken, like number eight is online tutoring. Like for it to teach people online, a lot of us has that teaching skill. So you get to teach people online and you get paid per session. Let's assume you have to be teaching people online, like you have 3 sessions in a day, right? So you just have to be teaching these people online and you get paid per each section that you have taught these people online. So that's how you get paid by online tutoring, as the name implies. So number eight is content writing. So how do you get paid in writing content? Just as the name implies, you get paid by writing content, right? By writing articles for people, right? And that's just that, just by writing, and you get paid. So number 10 is affiliate marketing. So how do you make money on affiliate marketing? You make money on affiliate marketing just by recommending product to people that are interested, and you get paid, right? So like what Jumia, Amazon, all of those sell like that, what they are doing is called affiliate marketing. If you are still watching me at this point in time, I have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. I don't know what else you are waiting for. I don't know what else you're waiting for. So just click on that button up there and subscribe to my channel. You subscribing to my channels helps you to keep updated whenever I'm uploading a new video. You'll be among the first person to watch that video. So let me wait for you to subscribe just a second. Alright guys, thank you for subscribing. I'm so happy. Thank you guys for subscribing. So let's head over to number 11 is readability. It's an app and it's also a site. So how do you get paid on readability? You just get paid by reading content based on the engagement you have and the articles you read. You just get paid just like that. Just so like number that. 12 on my list is Blogger Bond. Blogger Bond. So how do you get paid? You get paid for just reviewing articles and reading articles. You get paid for reviewing, and you also get paid for reading articles on Blogabond. So the next on my list, I think that should be number 12 or 13, guys. So it's Kill Me. So how do you make money on Kill Me? You make money just by watching videos, reading articles, and also taking survey. That's how you make money on Kill Me. So number 14 is user testing. So how do you get paid on user testing? You get paid on user testing just by reading and giving feedback on the articles you read. Do you understand? Let's say a particular article that we given to you, just read, and after reading you give them feedback and the review that you have concerning that particular article that you've read. So the last on my list is called Medium. So how do you get paid in Medium? So you get paid in Medium just by reading articles and the engagement that you got, like the engagement that you have just by reading articles and engagement. Let me not confuse you guys. So that's how you get paid on Medium. Alright guys, here come the end of this tutorial. So if you are excited to earn money from this website or apps I'm giving to you just now without stressing, just by reading and writing, what will you do next? Just do well to hit on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, because subscribing to my channel makes you to be among the first person to get notified whenever I'm dropping a new video like this. And if you have any question, or if you have tested all these if you have tested all these websites or the apps depending on the one you used, so if you have tested any of them and it works for you, you can leave that in the comment section. Let me see how you felt about it, if it was okay, if you enjoyed doing that. Then if you still have any question, or if there's any topic that you want me to make a video about, then you can drop it in the comment section. That's I'm here for you guys. So I'm here for your service. So here come the end of this video. So subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, love, share